Hello, pool players. I want to share with you something I was working on today, and that is staying still or staying down on my shot. You know, many players suffer from this. They lift up, and what happens is we steer our cue sometimes when we prematurely lift up. So let me show you this exercise that I work on to help ingrain this new thought as to staying down. Without further ado, let's check it out. So you'll see me here hold my follow through for just a little bit longer than normal on a typical break shot. Some players will lift right up. I like to stay down. It seems like it helps me with my control. I have found if I lift up a bit early, I'll often miscue the break shot. Now watch how I stay down as I shoot this into the side pocket, and I wait until the cue ball stops. This is the key thing here. Too often I think a lot of players will shoot, and once the ball goes in, they'll jump up. And once again, you'll see me do it here. And this is kind of annoying maybe to some players because it takes you a little bit longer to make movement, but who cares about that? This is about you. You staying down and staying still on the shot. Sometimes when I run into trouble, it is because I lift up a little too soon. And this can cause issues because it can actually move the cue because our body is anticipating standing up. I don't know if you guys have ever noticed that, but I know I have. So I just want to make this short video just so you guys could, see what it is that I do to work on little tiny things within my pool game. And this is one of the ones that really has helped me a lot. Once again, share this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. That really helps the channel. It helps us also as players share ideas back and forth as to how we handle situations like this. And this shot here, I came up a little bit short on my 9-ball. I would have liked to have been a little bit straighter. I was worried about getting onto the rail, and that's why I came up short. But that's okay. I work on my spot-to-spot drill, and this is a hanger for me, these spot shots. So if you guys would like to see another great video, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.